Welcome to our guide on making money online in 2025. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate blogging and how it can become a lucrative source of income. SEO tools are crucial for optimizing your content and improving visibility. Let's explore their significance for affiliate blogs. First up, Surf for SEO. This innovative tool provides a comprehensive suite of features tailored for blog optimization. Surf for SEO streamlines your content optimization process, helping you analyze and adjust your articles effectively to rank higher in search results. Next, let's look at Clearscope, another powerful tool that enhances content relevance and depth. Clearscope helps you create in-depth content that resonates more with your audience, boosting engagement and SEO performance. Now, let's compare Surf for SEO and Clearscope side by side to discover their key differences in functionality. Evaluating cost-effectiveness is crucial. Let's find out which of these tools provides the best value for money. We'll now look at some success stories of bloggers who've utilized Surf for SEO and Clearscope to maximize their earnings. In conclusion, choosing the right tool for your affiliate blog can make all the difference. Let's finalize our recommendations.